are you doing like that? Huh? Upia me no wakasa kama aje wo number. If you go home for Ade, what's wrong?
Saying I don't want to be part of the fishes.
You don't want to what?
I don't want to be part of your fishes. I don't want to get pregnant.
Huh? Now, if you close to me, then you're getting pregnant.
A bit closer. Right now I'm far, so I want.
Why school phone call
Say Chance, you know it. Say Chance, I want to go.
Who told you that situation? Huh?
Say Chance,
when you can't say why?
Say Chance, I want to go.
Shut up! Can't you say call me Say Chance? I told you call me Say my.
Say my. Say my, please. I want to go.
Listen, who told you? Why can't answer me true? Why not say when you win yam sir? Who tell one will be able to say when you win yam? And one I never born you school more for ya. Who take your mom for? Why can't answer me true?
Precious.
Precious told you? I say Precious told you?
Yes. It's Precious.
Hey, man, feel Precious, what? And one I may wow, no, a yen is that. And I'm sure some education background, no, ever calling him. My cat said, we be look at you. You are a nice girl. You be a catcher enough wow.
Say my, so it's not true.
Excuse me. It's okay? Yes.
Then it's true.
Oh, it's not true. And one I'm person a wow. Come close to me to help you. And you will be any more boy. And one I may be one or boy. Pesca could tell you cry mentally. I know I catch them. Yeah. And no be. Hey. What's it? And teach you man will be able to say a catch of pressure.
Yes, it's Precious. So I should not come close to you.
My boy. And so on the offer Obama chain. Give you Obama chain. On person will be Benina will be a make of time. It's on an answer what to tell you abilities in the end of the day.
Born straight me out.
Yeah, you may be a free.
No. What time?
6 o'clock.
Exactly says I will call you.
Exactly 6 o'clock. Call me.
Born straight to.
Exactly
as Precious own.
Oh, okay. Come on, hold on.
I should come and do what?
Hala.
What's that? Hala.
Hey, sounds where you make a crap.
I should hug you.
Yeah. Yay! That's when we did the Asun song. She had a Shabby force it there. Hey, Patience. My friend. Miss Oko be one that's often on fire. Chuku. Ya won't chuku. Hey, Chukas in Gugana. Not real Precious now. Far. I will deal with Precious. She see.
Yes. What do you want?
School nurse. You shout some for me something. Pacho me any First of course, my ba one my beji ska send me koto aduane.
Am I your father?
Correct. Secondly, una chem school fees mama.
Am I your father?
Correct. Thirdly, una adimba school ma.
Opoku, what exactly do you want?
Ain't one amount authority any the guest to go to the police station and report me.
Opoku, I did it. I was the one who went to the police station to let them arrest you. What do you want?
Who now call police station me aware? Now, who gave you that authority and the guts to go to the police station?
I have the guts and I have the authority to do whatever I want in this school. Do you get it?
Goodness, Adia Wuyano. Oh, ya travel limit. Opoku, Adia Wuyano, oh, yatra. Yadu was school was Obi Ariana Reno. But, oh, yes, Frisa Lenima cross lane for frog. Now cross lane for through lane, cross lane for Franum DC. Accident, Nessie.
Opoku, do you know something? Don't try me this morning. Opoku, don't provoke me. As you see the west side of me. As Opoku, as you see the west side of me. Don't try me. Kwasia, what is school money Jimmy ni kwasia sem. What bon se kru?
Eh, oba ni diem de na ho den he. Eh, say ma make asem nchiro. School nurse. So pese ohun moja ewo nim chaka chaka. School nurse. Sa long na wo ye no. Family yes long ni biem. But opese odi asomdwem etena school mu ana odi asomdwem free akofia. Ene me yes a mistake ni biem mi don yakopon.
Opoku, so ni me school mu.
Aha.
You knew me very well.
Huh?
Opoku, ma make asem nchiro.
I knew
Don't ever try me, because if you try,
what can you do?
If you try
if
me,
I try you, what can you do?
Okay, bet it.
Schoolness, you are not anyone. Oh, you are not a somebody. Oh,
Mimi,
you are not a somebody.
What name school? Mimi show, Mimi no.
One way schoolness. A baby has an nurse for schoolness.
Opoku, I swear it can never happen.
A baby has an nurse. Yet the schoolness afford this way.
It can never happen. Opoku, who you are?
Just try me.
Who you are?
Not I didn't know. Case with me found by.
Get over. I don't need issue.
Not me.
No issue.
Schoolness. Not me.
Also call
Schoolness and then I'm sure come sure some palm will be a 20 so.
Opoku,
just
try it.
I should just
try it.
Just try it. Schoolness. O kiti o. Schoolness me so ko me sake hye o.
Opoku, uti passe no.
Schoolness. Me so ti say no ma chinchin ni say ah no ma TF so. Schoolness suro mi o, mi ewikido. Me nya kiti say o. Schoolness me no. Kofi ko busa ma se me nya o schoolness.
Opoku,
Metima ko free we at any time o.
Opoku, me so one here. Enu so mo ntwe mo final exams na me mama ya sa do watu.
Ye di me ma to.
Me so na de bia opira de bia wonye. Wo de try na bra me ho biem. Won twe yi a mo betwe mo final exams na wo dem. Me so.
Say ya binti na trinwi fuda no. E fu so da me
dronyanko me tin de wo de gbedi ma tomo ha Opoku ma buoku.
Me so trinwi fu kra.
Me tam kese.
Makobu somso uti makobu somso akoye amamre se utiri no mo nwa kwale emfuda tunamre
Opoku,
schoolness
what to me tiro
but say fu
Opoku,
wakayomo she o wakayomo
mi makayomo na me kogoro
ala pesa ne mante no pesa ne epa na mama ka chiro abampampa nyini so mfa so. But as a one person obeja tum se wanyini e na emu ama no. Are na one person obeja tum se wanyini.
Me person meja tum se menyina ayonko ne me. Opoku, faade nbo miti.
Na hanom no kra se fifi a hanom no so e.
Opoku, faade nbo miti.
Etremu separation of powers.
Faade nbo miti.
Me dey bo. Boy. Na Kenya assembly enka ka school net utimi bodurak. Me jaw na school wa obudura na dey tira about no so nai because enyini na to wo ye dey ya wanyini bra ya wo se panyini enye wo se akora wonya yonko accept it. You are a grown man.
Opoku, next time baba ha be jimi sa biem no me donyame me boa me yafa ofun hwe ene me de me to headmaster me pese me ye bone
amaka gate na edade o
me se me pese me ye bone
ana me so me say gate na edade o
the next time be this am kwasem bi no hwe me so mu se ekan ti evia finish
yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months so dwa meya.
Wo di eba azina ya.
My is
As na akoko for amoye kansasa. Ah? As na akoko for ebi mo ye kansa dem hada. About some na kaka kire kokon.
Kokore.
About them na catch that again.
About them.
She, I want to me namte. I'm a man mo ba with school hano.
Me?
How enedmenam?
Oh.
What are you talking about?
Oh, say my.
What do you want from me? Why?
You should know me better. I will never do that.
But you cry now to see a kamasema, and can you be the defender?
I always do that.
But why you pretended that you console like that?
I swear to God, I never did that. I swear.
Sure. I didn't know you know. So why say your own precious?
So she.
Why say your own? Why say your own?
Say my, I'll never do that. Say my, you know I'll not do that.
Get us a woman have a catcher, no. Get us a woman have a catcher and say, no man, you must have now, the dear some catcher again.
Oh, say, she came to me that you said she should stay away from me and that she thinks that she is supposed to stay away from you rather, but she listened to all your nonsense because she thought that maybe if she doesn't listen, you beat her. Then. Who
doesn't listen? Who doesn't her?
Sure.
Who doesn't her?
What she said there?
Don't be laughing.
Oh.
Don't be ever laughing. Wow, what it?
No, I'm trying to. Then don't be serious. This is not any matter. She was the one who came to tell me that she has been hearing that you've been giving birth here and there, and I was like, me, I even think you are impotent because you're a good.
But why are you even impotent?
What is potent? I said I think you are impotent. That's why I even think that maybe you can't.
Who said it? He think I'm impotent?
Because you've not given birth, and she was the one telling me that you've been giving birth with children.
To be impotent, would you coffee?
Impotent.
Yeah, impotent. So if I'm impotent, you coffee impotent. Don't get away! Get away!
So I'm trying to explain it.
Oh, go you! Get away!
You were saying.
But say, you're impotent. Young could then the
impotent.
I won't be Johnny Precious. I'll be Johnny. I'll be no so back. Fatty.
Then why haven't you given birth yet? Do you have a child?
If I have a child, so why are you back on?
So I was just proving a point that
I said if I have the child, I want to go to take my child to show you.
Say, speak tree. I don't understand anything you are saying. What are you saying?
Like Coco, what it? What it?
I show Papa. Oh, see.
That's a one I know school now. Well, I'm sure I'm a man walk. I will cast up and can you know on your way and what it? Can we know on your way and what it? Who could you know concern? Why you try to go to gossip me? How?
Say,
how?
Do this? Call her and call me and ask us.
I call you. I don't have a time to call her.
Call us together and ask. She's supposed to confess. I'm not the one who said it.
To go and get that.
Oh, I'm not the one who said it.
Why you come concerning with just
Why you not?
Oh. I know say ya come asem. I see you one as a pepper will boom already. Adai. Awa anyi obi kan kekeke yi aneke yi. Awu anyi obi aka yi na uso eke yi. Adai. Ana se me begi wana. Ana se me be pouch wana. Sister, next time. When one from my man got baby, what you asking me catch room? Shall you go to school? And no here. Look here, touch it. Someone I'm on the school, and I'm on the Amoyano. The year teacher me, and a man from the home system, Akabenezer Babasa. Now, when you say me and my wife, Anna Maya. As the conqueror says, as anything here, man. Huh? Hey.
Are you done?
Precious, as anything, hey, man.
I've been trying to explain to you that I'm not the one who said the thing. You are still blaming me. What is that?
Sure. 13 seconds what? Yes, me poachewana. I'm tired to beg you. I'm tired. Ah. Why you be so quick here now we do Thomas I was school was are. Ah, what is them no be aka bibi. Wo dear Marinya will last. Who
like I say, I'm be 3 minutes on time, original would be. Okwan ya no cheze on me kasa.
3 minutes and you're complaining. Just 3 minutes. How many times do you want me to call you before you pick up?
Are you the one to tell me when to pick up your calls? You are not my girlfriend and you are not my sister. Besides, it's just an accident that has bring us together. But
Accident that you caused?
Who caused what? Both of us know that you caused that accident. You caused it. Talk, I'm listening.
I want money.
You want money?
Of course I want money.
Are you okay?
I'm out of provisions. I don't have money on me. Then I have to buy some new clothes and things. What do you mean, am I okay?
Call your mother. If you're in school and you're out of money or you don't have provisions or blah blah blah, why don't you call your mom? Why don't you call your parents at home? Huh?
You that senseless. Do you have brain in your head at all?
See, I want to say I am in here.
No, you're only making.
See,
I'm going to celebration of Kwana. No, no, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Because someone was like, catch me.
Come here, uncle.
No, go off on Kojibi. You do not miss me for police for. Some call for Kojibi. Oh, can you have someone share me? Oh, but say, we go for police for me. It's kind of my
Is there like who police for no? Then I beg.
Yeah. Don't ask me that.
So yes, I'm not blackmailing. So I don't know what the police buy issue. Also, what you say? You should have
give me the money. You're talking plenty. Oh.
Do you have it? Do you have it?
Give me the money.
Bring 80 and take 100.
Give me the money.
Wait, you're probably 100. See, wait.
Give me the money.
I said bring 80 CD and take.
Give me the money. Give me 100 CDs. Me the other day. Every month today. So become now.
But just scanning now. Opposite now. Kasa 25. You collected all the money. Said you take my. I will take what?
I want to leave. Just
take it yourself.
Take it for me. Let me leave. Okay. Take it for me. When you say Jim, I make a friend. Mommy, I'm gonna money. So what? 100 cities me the other.
I built my empire on social life. Okay. Enjoyment, also things here and there, without thinking about the future. So if I get it, I spend it, and I'm okay. So I say.
You understand that?
Yeah. As a young man,
Dad, before you go there, we are in school, Dad. This is cool. Why this? And besides, this is harmful. You know it's harmful for you. You don't have to be doing that, Dad. I've been telling you this.
I was born before the oceans when there were no springs of water. Do you know how many years I have been smoking? I'm so strong. So what is your problem? Yes, indeed. I at school. I understand your point.
Dad, I want to look at something. What's this, Dad?
Your heart.
My heart?
Yeah.
And what's this?
It's your heart.
No, Dad, this is not my eye.
this is yours, Dad. This is mine, I know, but this is yours, Dad. This is harmful. You know this. Please, I'm not forcing you to be who you are not, but at least, you know, this is an institution, you know, please. I'm begging you. Please.
I understand.
Thank you. Can I? That's my papa! That's my old man! No, let me keep this. I'll throw it away when I'm going. Yeah. I owe.
Aroma, there's one thing I want you to know.
Okay.
Adams is your brother.
What?
Adams is your brother.
Adams is my brother. I don't get you, Dad. Adams is my brother as in what?
Full-blooded brother.
How? Why? How? No, Adams is my brother as in you are Adam's father.
Of course. I can't compare naturally.
So I am related to Adams.
He is your brother. Okay?
Dad, you said an et what?
One cannot compare itself to the python.
To the python. Because they are not in the same lane, right? Dad, people don't really know the source of my wickedness, but I think you do. Because I got it from you. I don't want to bring it out here, Dad. You are my father. Don't tell me this, Dad. How is Adams my brother? How? Dad, no. About...
You got to know the full story. Whatever has transpired, whatever has happened, let it be washed away. Okay?
Can you please let me think, Dad? I need my privacy, please.
Come on.
Dad, no! Please, Dad, don't tell me this. How am I related to Adams? Adams can't be my brother. That guy is wicked. I know you are wicked. Yeah, sorry. I know I am a bit wicked, but Adams is beyond this, Dad. Adams can't be my blood.
Can I be your father?
You are my father. You can't. You are my father.
Then Adams can be your brother as well. Yes. He is your brother.
What am I supposed to do now?
I prompted the creator of the universe to come.
Dad, I'm tired of this. What am I supposed to do? You say he's my brother, and what am I supposed to do? Because we are not cool.
You'll be cool.
He is the reason I ended up there. That is my brother. Scanty.
Whatever he has done to you.
Dad.
Aroma!
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya.
Lady Precious, how do you do?
How do you do?
It's good that you have met. Precious, I have some few words just to share with you. You know, it is said that when you fall into the river, you are counted as a fish. When you say Skumoya, we will be I do respect you. I adore you. Not because of your beauty, but because you respect everyone on this campus. I want you to keep it up, okay? When you say, see, and no one equals school, oh, yes, Ababi, it has been circulating, say, we champ now. Me powers man can say black. Me from one way, me twice him. There's me powers him tea, and I'm afraid how no me no assassin we. You see, Aroma, and this guy, Scanty.
And they are not cool, no?
They are not. That is how you think. They are brothers. Yes, they are brothers.
They are brothers?
Yes.
As I don't understand.
You see, you are amazed. Omuye nuafo. And you say, Omaye chi ni nuana. And can you say, Omuye nuafo da?
Nensu ene omumienu nyina they move together.
I said Aroma and Scanty, they are brothers.
Precious, you heard me right.
How do you know?
Small word. Bibiye no one more when you probably me dey see obi. Unim say Scanty ema yechi Aroma. Na bra Scanty papa baya no. And say papa no one ewu Aroma. So are they not brothers?
This is so hard to believe.
Believe it.
Hey.
It's no Mesero. Ube school man say Uba Bisuadia. You came here purposely to acquire knowledge. I hope say we'll be able to in the future. Precious, I'm talking to you. Are they? Precious, why have you gone off? Is there anything you're hiding from me?
No. It's just that I'm confused.
Why confused?
The fact that Aroma and Scanty are brothers. But you continue.
So you always expect them to be forced to be enemies?
Oh, no. At least friends, but brothers. It's very hard to believe you. I'll ask Aroma to confirm. Oh, I believe you. It's not like I don't believe you, but I want to ask Aroma to also confirm.
I wish I could read your mind. What is circulating within your mind? Tell me. Bibia and Kosu Trim. Enemy say, "Oh, your baby, school mobile person. My audition, a future. Who buy so baby soon, dear. Who be na say, "Ultimate acquire knowledge now, be pay no." You start doing something with it. Maybe say we say when we reach now. Also, you want say Aroma is Scanty. Who knows eternal same? Huh? No one can predict the future. And to also and say, just stick to your books. Every leisure time, don't consider it as a leisure. Make good time out of it, eh? Okay. So I was going to the laundry when I met you. I will see you in the evening, okay?
Okay.
Take care.
Thank you. You've never advised me before, and I think I've really taken this.
And then it is better you stick to my advice. And penny see, ukoto se penny be 20 for now. Uni be 2 for. Offer 20 be another show to another bobla. Stick to my advice. You go far, okay?
Okay, so thank
see you.
Very much.
Okay.
Or maybe he misheard it because Aroma and Scanty, they don't even look alike. I have to ask Aroma. This thing is alike.
So you are not talking.
Why would I talk?
But you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you because I don't understand. Who asked that man to come here?
Sir, I noticed the school authorities were so adamant. So I personally called Aroma and then I collected his third number and then I called him. So sir, I told the man.
I thought as much. It's the reason for me calling you. Why didn't I call any other person but you? Come on, to think of what? Who gave you the audacity to do that? Why did you not? No. Why didn't you seek my consent before? Why are you like this? Granted, the man is in. Assuming when he came, he had done, he came to do something that we couldn't control. What would you have said?
Say, of late, you have not been buying any idea I bring up. And then I didn't want the name of the school to go into disrepute. So I saw Aroma and then I collected his dad number.
So you are the most sensible person in this school. I'm foolish.
I'm not saying you are foolish.
Oh, because if you are bold enough to tell me you notice the school authorities are adamant and we are failing to assume responsibilities for that matter, you think you are the wisest one. So you can assume responsibilities for that matter. You took the man's number from the son to call him to come over. So tell me, what are you insinuating?
Say, you have never ever been lenient to me. You are always harsh on me.
How can I be lenient? Once you are not giving me the chance to assess you very well, how can I be lenient on you?
But say, now that the man is here, we can at least sit down and then settle everything amicably.
Papa Bear,
what's your problem? Who called you here?
Didn't I say me banam be find out me who?
What did they not find out? Dang, oh, by no be actually, and I'll be ready. And about to some abonny minimum and our bomb minimum.
And I say, actually, I'm going hey,
Niddy. We are from Consado. We will be after. I'll come on, get out of here. Until we been to me new come up about for a number 2. So we have some too much. You can cause too much. Can I really papa
school and make things also papa be and says papa bay now but me be a
I said about somebody concern. Hey,
no school
too much.
MK, you kindly leave us, okay? We were discussing something when you barge in.
Another discussion become be a Ichiana.
Come on, you let's go.
Ah, Sunday say. Hey, come on, pay for dinner, Omo. David headmaster, I said me dear.
I'm going to call him.
So this is the place, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope nothing is bad. I don't want any problem. Because I'm not supposed to bring anybody here.
No, that's no problem, right?
Okay, I'm going to call you. This is him.
This is who?
The man that's calling you.
Calling who?
You. He told me to call you.
And did you hear the name he mentioned very well?
Yes, Adams.
Are you Adams?
Yes, sir. Please, the smoke. There's a hostel.
Adams, I'm going to the library. So
wait, you're going where? Hey.
Please, I'm going. I have something to do.
Adams!
What's going on? Who are you?
Adams. Yes. Anyway, it's an ancient story. Long story.
Hey, who are you? What's an ancient story? What's a long story?
That is why I'm saying it's an ancient story. Long story. If I can borrow some of your time and you sit somewhere, talk about so many issues.
No, please wait. First of all, are you sure I'm the person you're looking for?
Yeah. I'm not Adams.
I'm Adams, but I'm surprised. I'm not expecting someone like you here. Or, I don't know anybody like you.
Anyway, don't be surprised. You get to know me very well very soon. Okay? Don't panic.
I have to panic because I don't know you.
Alright. Let's find a place to sit.
So you can't just come to someone's hostel and tell the person you should go find a place to sit.
Any place of your choice, please.
At least you should be coming with any of the school authorities, like the headmasters, or like I don't know you. You are not someone I know. Why should I follow you?
Let's find a place to sit. Let's find a place. Come.
Wait, well, let me call some of my friends. Like I'm surprised. Like, what are you going to talk about?
Perhaps. Touch me. No, touch me. Come closer.
Please, I'm hurt. I'm
sorry.
Mike, I want to call one of my friends.
No, don't worry. There's nothing hidden under the carpet. Just
yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with your meya. Me pesa me come any months we meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Are you still sad? Aroma, don't be sad, okay? I thought
I thought by now that you were back on campus, you would actually be happy. Why? What's wrong? Is there something going on?
There's a lot going on, bro.
What again? What again, Aroma? What again?
Do you know Adams?
Scanty.
Scanty, yeah.
Yeah, Scanty, yeah. That tall, fair guy, yeah.
How do you see him?
Initially when I came to school, I saw him to be a very quiet and calm person. But it looks like he's getting into a lot. And I don't know. Why? Do you have any banter with him?
I said, how do you see him? How will you describe him?
Oh, I don't know how to describe such a person, but I believe he's a calm and modest person.
You believe Scanty is a calm and modest person? Scanty?
Yes. He can be reasoned with. I don't know. Isn't he like that?
Well, let me tell you. He's the most wicked person in this school.
Scanty?
Really? I don't have to go there. I don't. You see, I didn't care about him being wicked. Only for me to realize that he is my brother.
Scanty is your brother.
How?
And you don't know this. You don't know this information.
Come, I had no idea.
Wow.
He just told me that.
You have been on this campus for how long with him? And you're only finding out.
You know, my dad came to bail me, when I was arrested. And when he came, I think that was when they realized that he is my... Charlie, bro. Scanty can't be my brother. Calm on.
Sorry, bro. I know. I'm sorry.
You, I'm not in a good mood.
I know. This is not the time to be doing this, but Aroma, it's involuntary. You know.
How can Scanty be my brother? How did he be? Charlie, listen.
I can't even fathom this.
There are people in this school that I hate. And Scanty is one of them.
But hate is a strong word.
Why? I hate him.
Why will you hate?
Very much. You don't know what he has done to me. So I can't be friends with... That guy can't be my brother. So I'm sad because they just told me that he is my brother. He's my blood. And bro, I can't cope with that. Trust me. I can't cope with that.
This is quite a news to me.
I can't cope with that.
It's quite a news to me. But Aroma, see, you don't know. He's a person like you are. You understand? And perhaps now that he knows that you guys are related, if you are supposed to talk to him, he will probably have sense and then understand where you are coming from, and then perhaps things can be better between you and him. Have you tried talking to him about the fact that you guys are brothers?
Not really.
I believe you should sit him down. Have a critical conversation with him. I mean, a brotherly moment.
Oh, I heard you. Thank you.
Yes, I believe so. I believe it will help. It will help the both of you.
All right. Thank you.
Yes. So are you calm now?
I'm calm.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can leave.
Have you been preparing for exams?
Yeah.